Have you ever started a weight loss journey, only to quit because healthy food felt boring, expensive, or impossible to maintain? What if losing weight didn't mean eating tiny portions or giving up the meals you love? Today, we're making 5 delicious low-calorie meals that are packed with protein, full of flavor, and designed to keep you satisfied while supporting healthy weight loss. And stay until recipe number 5, because it's a simple meal that many people overlook, but it can completely change the way you think about healthy eating. Let's get started. Recipe 1. High-protein chicken and vegetable bowl, around 400 calories. The first meal is perfect for anyone who wants something filling, simple, and full of nutrients. A common mistake during weight loss is eating meals that are too small. You may lose a little weight at first, but hunger eventually takes over. That's why this chicken and vegetable bowl works so well. Start with grilled chicken breast, one of the best sources of lean protein. Protein helps you stay full longer and supports muscle maintenance while losing fat. Add a colorful mix of vegetables like broccoli, carrots, bell peppers, and spinach. For extra flavor, prepare a simple sauce using Greek yogurt, lemon juice, garlic, and a little seasoning. Serve everything over a small portion of brown rice or quinoa. The result? A meal that is high in protein, rich in fiber, and satisfying enough to keep cravings away. And the best part is that you can prepare several portions at once, making healthy eating easier during a busy week. But if you think healthy meals are always based around chicken, wait until you see the next recipe. Recipe 2. Healthy tuna avocado, wrap around 350 calories. The second recipe proves that a quick meal can still support your goals. This tuna avocado wrap takes only minutes to prepare, making it perfect for lunch or a busy day when you don't have much time. Start with a whole grain tortilla. Add tuna mixed with Greek yogurt instead of traditional mayonnaise. This simple swap reduces calories while keeping the creamy texture. Then add avocado slices, lettuce, cucumber, and a squeeze of fresh lemon. The combination of protein from tuna, healthy fats from avocado, and fiber from vegetables creates a balanced meal that helps control hunger. Many people believe weight loss requires removing all fats from their diet. But healthy fats, when eaten in the right amount, can actually help make meals more satisfying. This wrap is proof that healthy food doesn't need to feel like a sacrifice. Now, the next recipe might surprise you, because it looks like comfort food, but it's much lighter than the traditional version. Recipe 3. Low-calorie turkey pasta bowl, around 450 calories. Who says pasta cannot be part of a healthy weight loss plan? The secret is not eliminating your favorite foods. The secret is creating smarter versions. For this recipe, use whole wheat pasta or chickpea pasta for more fiber and nutrients. Cook lean ground turkey with onions, garlic, tomatoes, and Italian herbs. Instead of using heavy cream sauces, create a lighter tomato-based sauce packed with flavor. Add vegetables like zucchini, mushrooms, or spinach to increase the volume of the meal without adding many calories. This is important because one of the biggest challenges during weight loss is feeling like you are eating less. Meals with more volume can help you feel satisfied while keeping calories under control. This pasta bowl is comforting, delicious, and proof that healthy eating can still include the foods you enjoy. But our next recipe takes things in a completely different direction. And it's perfect for breakfast, lunch, or even dinner. Recipe 4. Vegetable egg protein omelet, around 300 calories. The fourth meal is simple, affordable, and incredibly nutritious. Eggs are one of the most versatile foods for healthy eating because they provide high-quality protein and important nutrients. For this omelet, combine 2 eggs with extra egg whites to increase protein while keeping calories lower. Add spinach, mushrooms, tomatoes, onions, and your favorite herbs. Cook everything slowly until the eggs are fluffy and the vegetables are tender. You can enjoy this meal by itself or pair it with a small piece of whole grain toast. This recipe is especially useful because it can help you avoid unhealthy choices when hunger appears suddenly. Having quick, healthy options available is one of the secrets of long-term weight loss. And now we've reached the final recipe. This one is different because it doesn't just focus on calories. It focuses on keeping you full for hours. Recipe 5. Salmon and sweet potato. Power plate, around 500 calories. The final recipe combines some of the best foods for a balanced, healthy meal. Start with baked salmon, a great source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Pair it with roasted sweet potatoes, which provide slow-digesting carbohydrates that give your body lasting energy. Add a side of green vegetables like asparagus, green beans, or broccoli. Season everything with herbs, lemon, garlic, and a small amount of olive oil. This meal is satisfying because it combines protein, healthy fats, fiber, and quality carbohydrates. And that combination is exactly what helps many people stay consistent with their weight loss goals. Remember, successful weight loss is not about finding the fastest diet. It's about creating habits you can actually maintain. These 5 low-calorie meals show that healthy food can be colorful, flavorful, and enjoyable. Which recipe would you try first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want more simple, healthy recipes designed for weight loss and a better lifestyle, subscribe to Healthy Shape Kitchen. Because the easiest diet to follow is the one you actually enjoy. See you in the next recipe.